Imagine the aroma of simmering chili, the laughter of family and friends, and the thrill of competition. Welcome to the ultimate family chili cook-off. Start by inviting your guests to bring their best chili in a slow cooker, ready to serve. Encourage a variety, meatless, spicy, white, or with a surprise ingredient. To keep things manageable, limit the number of chili entries to 10 or less. This ensures everyone can savor each unique flavor without getting overwhelmed. Prepare for the event by making labels for the chili, including recipe name, rating heat levels, and assigning entry numbers. This adds a fun and organized touch to the tasting. Set up a chili toppings bar with shredded cheese, chopped onions, tomatoes, olives, bell peppers, jalapenos, and sour cream. Don't forget the go-withs like crackers, cornbread, tortillas, and corn chips. Ensure you have enough bowls and spoons, or opt for disposables to keep things sanitary. Disposable spoons make it easy for guests to taste each chili without cross-contamination. Keep the cook's identity a secret to ensure unbiased voting. Guests should taste a spoonful of each chili and fill out a ballot before enjoying it as a meal. Provide a variety of drinks, including soft drinks, beer, and maybe even a signature cocktail. A tossed green salad and dessert can round out the meal. Announce the maker of each chili and the winner. Award prizes for the grand prize, hottest chili, most creative, and easiest recipe. Gather all the recipes and photos from the event to create a small chili cookbook. This way, the fun and flavors can be relived for years to come.